Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is a highly requested video on the Aunt Jackies Grapeseed Collection. In today's video, you're going to see me use all of the products, and this is also going to be a comparison video. I compared two of the stylers in the Grapeseed Collection, but before we get into this highly requested awesome video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Guys, these are the results that I got from using the Grapeseed Collection. On one side of my hair I used the gel, and on the other side I used the mousse. So throughout this video I want you guys to take a look at my hair and see which side you like, but I'm going to start off with the cleansing process using the Grapeseed Collection. I do have some product knowledge from Aunt Jackies, so I'm going to be reading it so I give you guys all of that good solid information. I started off cleansing my hair. Now this is a sample that I received from Clicks Curls. I did not buy the cleanser because I couldn't find it in the shop, so I started off cleansing my hair. This sachet right here is enough to do a cleanse. I was really impressed with how much of product was inside of here. This cleanser is called the Power Wash, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. It says it's an intense moisture clarifying shampoo, and I'm going to stop there and say this is a clarifying shampoo. I felt that it really cleansed my hair really well. It removed all of the product buildup and my hair was squeaky clean. It says it deep cleanses and hydrates so hair doesn't feel dry, rough and stripped. Aloe and apple cider vinegar leave hair and scalp feeling super clean, while the grapeseed and jojoba oils and coconut milk soften and seal in moisture. It's excellent for all hair types and textures. Now this did strip my hair a little bit, and I wasn't surprised because it is a clarifying shampoo. My hair wasn't brittle, my hair wasn't dry, but I really did feel it take every single thing out of my hair, and it felt just a tad bit dry. So if you do use the shampoo and you find that your hair is feeling dry, don't be too alarmed. As I keep saying, this is a clarifying shampoo, but it does not strip your hair and leave it dry or brittle. After washing my hair, I went in with the Rescued. This is the Thirst-Quenching Recovering Conditioner. This I got for free at an Aunt Jackies event. Everything else that follows I did personally by myself, but I got this from an event. According to the information from Aunt Jackies, this is a Thirst-Quenching Recovering Conditioner. You'll notice a dramatic difference in the way your hair looks and feels after the first use, and that is absolutely true. The application of this was really nice. It's thick and creamy, and I know that I say lots of, like, you know, deep conditioners or recovery conditioners or masks are thick and creamy, but this is a very soft texture to it, a texture that I haven't really felt from other treatments, masks or deep conditioners. I really liked how soft and thick that it was. And it says that your hair will feel different after the first use. Absolutely. I was very impressed with the way my hair felt afterwards. It then says Rescued is great therapy for your wash day routine and excellent recovery remedy when used after the clarifying shampoo. Now, after using the clarifying shampoo, I will 100% recommend that you use this, because as I said earlier, my hair did feel a little bit dry, and this just brought it all together. Rinsing it out, my hair was super soft, almost like butter. Afterwards, my hair had the shine. This guys, this is good. This, I'm really impressed by it. You know I love deep conditioners, and this stuff is good. What I like about this is it says in the instructions you can use it for 2 to 3 minutes. I did leave mine on just for a little bit longer, for probably about 15 minutes, 30 minutes tops. And then I rinsed it out. This was very nice. My hair was soft, my hair was hydrated. There isn't a leave-in conditioner in this line, and so I did use a leave-in conditioner on my hair. I made sure I used a very lightweight leave-in conditioner. I didn't want anything to weigh down my hair. I do know that Aunt Jackies has 2 leave-in conditioners that were actually recommended. You can use the Quench line, but one of the stylists from Aunt Jackies did say that it can be a bit heavy, and he did recommend using the Not On My Watch. I didn't use either of them, but I did make sure that I use a lightweight leave-in conditioner. And now the exciting part, which is the styling. In true Curl Factory style, I did a comparison. I love comparisons, and I used both of the styling products from Aunt Jackies. On this side of my hair, I used their Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly, and on this side I used their Frizz Control Setting Mousse. Let's start off with this side of my hair. I prefer this side of my hair. I prefer the side that I use the gel on it. My curls have a little bit more elongation to it, a whole lot of shine. Talk about softness. Oh my God, Aunt Jackies, I am impressed by the soft hold and definition from this gel. No crunch whatsoever. I applied this gel in small sections of my hair and I raked it through. I made sure every single curl was coated, and then I smoothed it out as well. The application was very easy. The gel reminded me of the gel from the Flaxseed Collection in terms of texture. It's a clear gel and it has a gel consistency basically. And it also has a very fresh smell to it. Application was easy and I didn't need to use a lot. It might look like I used quite a bit in the video, but I did it in small sections. I wanted to make sure that I really used this gel well and I coated my curls. My hair is soft, I can fluff this out, and this is day 2 hair and I do prefer this side. On this side of my hair I use the Mousse, and it's their Frizz Control Setting Mousse. It says that you can use this mousse for finger twirling, you can use it for braiding, you can use it for rod sets, and it also says that you can use it dry or on wet hair. I decided to use this for a wash and go, and I am impressed for a mousse. My hair doesn't take well to mousses. They're always drying out my type of hair, and my hair is soft. When I woke up in the morning and I took my silk scarf off, I was like, okay, my hair is exceptionally soft, and the mousse actually did a good job to hold my type 3B, C, and 4A curls. This wouldn't be like my go-to for a wash and go using the mousse, but the results are actually fine. I'm a gel kind of girl, so that's why I will just gravitate towards the gel. But just take a look at the results, guys, just from using the mousse. I did section my hair, I applied it, I raked it through, I also smoothed it out, I made sure that every single curl was coated, and day 2 hair is not bad at all. Now I'm going to tell you about the last 2 products that I used. I used this product here, which is the Slicks Fixable Styling Glue. Now you guys know me, I don't lay my edges, but I did kind of lay just a little bit of my edges. Now in the morning it's still holding, to be honest with you guys. It's still a little bit hard, not too hard that it's like glue or paste, but it's still holding down my edges even in the morning, which for those of you guys who really want something slicked, this is going to do the trick. This is also great for a few flyaways. So while I was applying it when my hair was wet, I did put it on the top because in the morning I do get a bit of flyaways on top, and I didn't get any in the morning, so this did kind of hold them down. And I ended off my wash day routine using the Shine Boss, which is a refreshing sheen mist. I just sprayed this all over my hair. It's in the morning and I haven't used it. This is something that you can use in the morning as well, and just take it and spray it all over your hair after refreshing your hair. It smells really nice. I actually like the smell of this. It's very lightweight, and it's great to kind of just finish your hair off. To wrap up this Aunt Jackies Grapeseed Collection video, guys, I just want to tell you that all their products are sulfate free, they're paraben free, there's no mineral oil, there's no petrolatum, and there's no silicones as well. The range also smells really nice. Grapeseed has amazing benefits for your hair. So this collection for me, I was impressed by. I've tried all of the products from Aunt Jackies, and it's safe for me to say that this is my favorite line from Aunt Jackies. Also, I just want to tell you again, all the products in the line, they have a power wash, they have a rescued quench recovery conditioner, they also have a glossing curling jelly, they have a setting mousse, they have a refreshing sheen mist, and they also have a flexible styling glue. Let's wrap this video up, guys. These are my results. I am very happy. The Curl Factory is happy. As I said, I've tried other ranges from Aunt Jackies, and this one is my favorite. I think the hype for this line is real, and I thought that I'd do this video and say, oh, the products are okay, but the hype is real. The gel, I love the gel, and I love the recovery conditioner. Those two are my absolute favorite in the line. Thank you so much for joining me. I always appreciate having you guys around and coming and joining me. This was also a comparison, and I'm so happy with both of the results. Depending on your curl types and texture, you can decide, do you want to use the gel or if you want to use the mousse. Thanks once again. Drop your comments down below and subscribe and follow me on social media. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Take care.